Hello dear friends, if you not subscribe Nurse Queen channel, please consider subscribing for more nursing related videos. Thank you.
Friends, this is the third part of Kerala PSC Homeo Nursing question paper. So let us start from 51 question onwards. We already covered two portions of this question paper. I will provide in description. If you not studied that portions, please study that also. Then you start from 51 question onwards. In which position the client will be placed for rectal examination? Correct answer is Sims position. Sims position, the client will be placed for rectal examination. Usually use the Sims position for rectal examination and treatments and enemas. Patient on left side, lower extremity straight and right hip and knee bent. Also called lateral recumbent position. Sims position, also called lateral recumbent position, is used commonly for enema. Next question. The most accurate indication of true labor is? Correct answer, progressive cervical dilation. The most accurate indication of true labor is progressive. The most accurate indication of true labor is progressive cervical dilation. First stage of labor ends when a woman's cervix is fully dilated to 10 cm. First stage of labor ends when a woman's cervix is fully dilated to 10 cm. Next question. An infant with bronchiolitis is receiving oxygen through oxygen tent. Which is the most accurate method of taking body temperature for him? Correct answer is rectal thermometer. The patient, the child, an infant, the infant with bronchiolitis is receiving oxygen through oxygen tent. Rectal thermometer is the accurate method of taking body temperature for him. Rectal temperature gives reliable measurements. Rectal temperature, we have to hold thermometer 3 to 5 minutes. 1 degree Fahrenheit higher than oral temperature. Rectal temperature gives reliable measurement. Rectal thermometer, hold thermometer 3 to 5 minutes. It is 1 degree Fahrenheit higher than oral temperature. Next question. Nausea and vomiting during first trimester of pregnancy is an adaptation to the increased levels of? Correct answer is chorionic gonadotropin, that is HCG, human chorionic gonadotropin. Chorionic gonadotropin cause nausea and vomiting during the first trimester of pregnancy. Next question. The term cataplexy denotes? Options. Correct answer is temporary loss of muscle tone. Cataplexy denotes temporary loss of muscle tone. Cataplexy is a neurological condition experiences sudden bilateral loss of muscle tone treated with antidepressants imipramine. It is a neurological condition experience sudden bilateral loss of muscle tone treated with antidepressants imipramine. Next question. In which position the nurse will keep herself while palpating a patient's neck with lymphadenopathy? Correct answer is at patient's back. At patient back, the nurse will keep the patient palpating a patient's neck with lymphadenopathy. Lymphadenopathy means lymph nodes that are abnormal in size, number and consistency. Lymphadenopathy means lymph nodes that are abnormal in size, number and consistency. Next question. The outermost membrane that helps in formation of placenta is? Correct answer is chorion. The outermost membrane that helps in formation of placenta is chorion. Chorion composed of syncytial trophoblast. That is the outer layer. Chorion composed of syncytial trophoblast. That is the outer layer. Middle layer name is cytotrophoblast. Middle layer cytotrophoblast. Amnion is a membrane that encloses amniotic cavity. That is a thin membrane that surrounds the fetus. Amnion is a membrane that encloses amniotic cavity. Thin membrane that surrounds the fetus. Next question. Nurse's primary observation in a diabetic child admitted with ketoacidosis would be. Correct answer is hyperapnea. Nurse's primary observation in a diabetic child admitted with ketoacidosis would be hyperapnea. Hyperapnea is increased depth of breathing when required to meet metabolic demand of body tissues. Hyperapnea is increased depth of breathing when required to meet metabolic demand of body tissues. Next question. Predisposing factors of aphthous ulcer include all of the following except. Correct answer is smoking. Other three, stress, vitamin deficiency and viral infections includes, that is the cause of aphthous ulcer. Cause does not include smoking. Aphthous ulcer is a recurrent round sore or ulcer inside the mouth. Aphthous ulcer is a recurrent round sore or ulcer inside the mouth. So stress, vitamin deficiency and viral infection cause aphthous ulcer. Next question. Which of the following symptoms are characteristic of endometriosis? Correct answer is painful menstruation and backache. Painful menstruation and backache are the symptoms of endometriosis. Endometriosis is a condition in which tissues that normally lines the uterus grows outside the uterus. Endometriosis is a condition in which tissues that normally lines the uterus grows outside the uterus. Next question. The basic emotional task for preschooler is. Correct answer is initiative. Initiative versus guilt is the basic emotional task for preschooler. According to Erikson, trust versus mistrust occurs in infancy. That means birth to 18 months. According to Erikson, trust versus mistrust occurs in infancy, birth to 18 months. That is Erikson stages of development. Second stage is 18 months to 3 years. That is autonomy versus shame and doubt. Then third stage 3 to 5 years. That is initiative versus guilt. Then fourth stage industry versus inferiority. That is school age children 5 to 13 years. Industry versus inferiority. School age children 5 to 6 years to 13 years. Then identity versus role confusion. That is fifth stage 13 to 21 years. Next question. Cloudy CSF obtained in lumbar puncture is an indication of. Correct answer is increased WBC count. Cloudy CSF is obtained in lumbar puncture is an indication of increased WBC count. Don't forget. Then pink CSF cause, it may due to RBC or hemoglobin lysis. Pink CSF, RBC or hemoglobin lysis. Normal CSF color is clear and colorless, watery. Normal CSF clear and colorless water. Yellow CSF cause hyperbilirubinemia. Yellow CSF hyperbilirubinemia. Yellow green also it may due to hyperbilirubinemia. Brown CSF cerebrospinal fluid cause may be meningeal metastatic melanoma. Brown CSF, meningeal metastatic melanoma. Next question. The opening between vocal cords in the larynx is. Correct answer is glottis. The opening between vocal cords in the larynx is glottis. Next question. While collecting nursing history, a patient complains of floaters in visual field. Which condition the nurse should suspect? Correct answer is retinal detachment. Don't forget, a patient complains of floaters in visual field. That is a retinal detachment. We should suspect retinal detachment. Next question. Among the fetal blood vessels, highest oxygen content is seen in. Correct answer is ductus venosus. Among the fetal blood vessels, highest oxygen content is seen in ductus venosus. Next question. The part of brain concerned with hunger thirst is. Correct answer is hypothalamus. The part of brain concerned with hunger thirst is hypothalamus. Most important functions of hypothalamus is to link the nervous system to endocrine system via pituitary gland. The most important function of hypothalamus is to link the nervous system to endocrine system via pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is the master gland of our body. Next question. Most commonly observed affect in a schizophrenia patient is. Correct answer is apathy and flatness. Most commonly observed affect in a schizophrenia patient is apathy and flatness. Apathy. What is apathy? Apathy means lack of feeling or emotions. Apathy means lack of feeling or emotions or lack of concentration or interest. Apathy means lack of feeling or emotions or lack of concentration or interest. Next question. The most common area for bleeding is a child with hemophilia will be. This is one of the most repeating question. Correct answer is joints. Joints is the most common area for bleeding in a child with hemophilia. Next question. Primary responsibility of nurse while caring a client with epidural analgesia is to observe for. Correct answer is hypotension. The nurse should observe hypotension when a client with epidural analgesia. Epidural analgesia is a regional anesthesia that blocks pain in particular region of body. Epidural analgesia is a regional anesthesia that blocks pain in particular region of body. Example, hip surgery, knee surgery, cesarean section and prostate gland surgery. So all these surgeries we can manage with surgery with epidural analgesia or epidural anesthesia. Next question. The protein that is found only in myocardium and increase of which is highly specific to myocardial damage. Correct answer is troponin I or tropi. Troponin is a regulatory muscle protein released into circulation following acute cardiac injury. Troponin is a regulatory muscle protein released into circulation following acute cardiac injury. Next question. Hypophysis cerebri is located in sella turnica, which is a depression in the body of. Correct answer is sphenoid bone. Hypophysis cerebri is located in a sella turnica, which is a depression in the body of sphenoid bone. Hypophysis cerebri or pituitary gland. The other name of hypophysis cerebri, that is pituitary gland, is the master gland of our body. Sphenoid bone. Sphenoid bone is located in the cranium. Sphenoid bone is the unpaired bone of neurocranium. Sphenoid bone is the unpaired bone of neurocranium. Next question. A congenital malformation in which the urethra opens in the upper surface of penis is. Correct answer is upper surface of the penis, that is epispadiasis. A congenital malformation in which the urethra opens in the upper surface of the penis, that is epispadiasis. Underside of the penis or lower side of the penis, that is hypospadiasis. Don't forget, underside or lower side of the penis, that is hypospadiasis. Upper side surface of the penis, that is epispadiasis. Then what is phimosis? Phimosis is the foreskin can't pull back over the head of penis. That is, foreskin will be too tight. It can't pull back over the head of the penis. That is phimosis. Next question. Which of the following blood component therapeutically provide all the coagulation factors? Correct answer is fresh frozen plasma, FFP. Usually FFP, that is fresh frozen plasma. Fresh frozen plasma is the blood component therapeutically provide all the coagulation factors. Next question. Maximum score in Glasgow Coma scale is. Correct answer is, you all may know that, 15. Maximum score is 15. Minimum score is 3. Minimum score of GCS is 3. Then GCS, that is Glasgow Coma scale, developed to assess the level of neurologic injury, includes assessment of movement, speech. GCS developed to assess level of neurologic injury, include assessment of movement, speech, eye opening. Severe GCS, that is severe injury means GCS less than or equal to 8. Severe injury means severe head injury, usually GCS less than or equal to 8. Moderate injury GCS 9 to 12. Moderate injury GCS 9 to 12. Mild injury means more than or equal to 13. Mild injury more than or equal to 13. That is Glasgow Coma scale. Next question. C-reactive protein is a substance produced during inflammation in the body. It is produced in. Correct answer is liver. C-reactive protein produced in liver. That is a substance produced during inflammation in the body. C-reactive protein produced in liver. High level of CRP indicates inflammation. Normal level of CRP is less than 10 milligram per liter. Normal level of CRP is less than 10 milligram per liter.
Third part of Kerala PSC Homeo question paper also over. We already completed 2 parts previously. I can give in description box for your studies. We are going to cover all the important portions from nursing topics for nursing officer and staff nurse examination.